Hi, I'm Jan Harrell from Houston, Texas. I'm a jeweler, a metalsmith, and enamelist, and also a teacher. I'm going to show you a great tip for something that has really been a helpful tool recently that I saw at Cool Tools when I was here last year. And it's called the Wubbers. I think I'm saying that right. They're these round mandrels that have different size mandrels on each side. My jewelry is a little bit on the larger side, and I want a bail that doesn't interrupt the design. I call bails that stick up on either side of a piece Mickey Mouse ears. And for my particular aesthetic for my work, I want a bail that is hidden. And the easiest way to make a hidden bail is with these wonderful Wubbers. So let me show you this piece and what I created on the back side for the Wubber. I use extra thick Buna cord and rubber because it supports my large pieces. So having an area that's large that you could put almost any cord that would fit in there really accommodates the work that I'm doing right now. I've cut a small piece of sterling silver out that's patterned. I liked pattern because it patinas very nicely. Always start with more material than you need because you'll have to bend this with your fingers, which is not that hard. So I'm going to use the smaller side on this large Wubber. You clamp the end in place and you simply bend it. And I bend it a little past what I need. Then I take a pair of good metal shears and I cut right across the bottom of that. At this point, I've probably taken a little bit of the roundness out of it, so I put it back on my bench and I actually curl it with the side of my bench. Now, for me to solder this piece on, I have two edges that aren't complete. I want to file them, and I think this little coarse 100 grit pad works great. When I get both sides nice and level, oh yeah, then I know that I can solder that onto my back. It makes a great bail, and you can put any size cord or chain through it, which I think is very versatile. Personalize your pendants with this beautiful bail technique using these great tools. Thanks.
Visit our Learning Center at cooltools.us for more cool jewelry making videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and be sure to sign up for our email list to be the first to hear about new videos, new products, and other cool stuff from Cool Tools.